if we talk about the intangible, it's the confidence it's given our marketing team.
That's amazing. Yeah.
You know what I mean? I feel it. I feel how they move differently now. They're not timid about the story. They're not like questioning themselves. They're already working on our 60th anniversary campaign.
Oh.
They don't have to come to me and, do you like this? Do you, what
Mm.
about, no, you know what we're saying. I know what we're saying. It's really helped them to grow and professionalize how they communicate about the foundation. And I think that's, when we talk about professional development, that's the best professional development I could have given them. I don't expect them to stay with me forever. That's not, I feel like that's not the sign of a good leader. If you're not creating other leaders, then what are you doing? But I'm hoping that that professional development, learning this, wherever they go next, they'll take this, right, and implement it there. It's just been game changing for us. It really is.